If you've used AI music tools before, you're probably used to a slot machine experience. You type a prompt, you hit a button, and you hope for the best. If you don't like it, you have to start all over again. Mozart AI is different. It's built around an agentic workflow. That means the AI acts less like a random generator and more like a studio assistant sitting right next to you. It listens to feedback, it makes specific changes, and it remembers context. Today we are going to build a track from scratch using the Vibe interface. And then we are going to edit that track through chatting with Mozart AI, manage our files in the library, and then publish our work to the community. Let's get into it and start making some music. So, here we are on the main dashboard. It's clean, it's dark mode, which we love. You'll see right at the bottom center we have two main toggles, Vibe and Studio. For today's video, we are sticking to Vibe. This is that conversational interface I mentioned. Think of Vibe as the place where ideas start. You'll see some inspiration cards in the center. These are great if you need ideas, but let's create something specific. I'm thinking something moody today. Let's go for a modern emo melodic rap track. I want it to have a slow guitar riff and some heavy 808s. I'm typing that directly into the context bar at the bottom. Now, before we hit generate, let's look at the options. Here you can upload an audio file you already have, or you can write your own lyrics if you're a songwriter. But for this demo, I'm going to let the AI do the heavy lifting. We will keep the 11 Labs model and the duration as auto. And here we go. While this generates, notice the thinking status. We are taken into a conversation and now AI is analyzing our request. It's not just grabbing a pre-made loop. It's composing the melody, writing the lyrics to match our theme, and synthesizing the vocals all at once. Let's hear it.
Staring at my phone at 3 a.m. again. Your last text still glowing on a screen. I'm drowning in the silence of this empty room. We're playing everywhere you never mean. Medication in my system, but it numbs the wrong pain. Trying to fill the void, but nothing stays the same. I'm fading like the Polaroids we took last June. Now I'm just a ghost inside this lonely frame. I'm stuck inside my head and I can't escape. Every memory of you is a mistake. I'm falling through the cracks of yesterday.
All right, it's solid. The vocal quality on that is actually very clean. The lyrics are definitely hitting that moody theme we asked for. I didn't notice a separate guitar riff, but the drums are crisp. Our song is automatically named as Bruised Knuckles, which perfectly aligns with the theme. But, and this is where Mozart AI shines, it's not exactly what I wanted yet. In any other tool, I'd have to discard this and try a new prompt. But here, we are going to fix it. This brings us to the most important feature, chat editing. Look at the bottom of the screen. The chat history is still there, with some further options like add custom lyrics or extend the outro. The AI knows what song we are working on. I can talk to it. Let's try a different guitar riff, and that intro on that track was a little generic. Let's see if we can fix that. So I'm typing into the chat, start with a Solo Guitar Riff Intro. Look at the feedback the AI has given. It has perfectly understood my request and updated the song with an atmospheric guitar riff intro. Let's listen to the new version.
Staring at my phone at 3 a.m. again. Your last text still glowing on a screen. I'm drowning in the silence of this empty room. We're playing everywhere you never mean. Medication in my system, but it numbs the wrong pain. Trying to fill the void, but nothing stays the same. I'm fading like the Polaroids we took last June. Now I'm just a ghost inside this lonely frame. Every memory of you was in a sway. Born the train at you, yeah.
Okay, that's great. Just like we asked, the song now starts with a melancholic guitar riff at the beginning. Let's push this further. This is an agentic workflow, which means we can keep iterating. Let's say the chorus isn't popping enough. I could type, make the chorus louder, or add backing vocals to the chorus. The AI analyzes the waveform structure, identifies which block is the chorus, and applies the effect only to that section. You can actually see the waveform update in real time. If you look at the visualization, you can see where the changes are being patched in. It's seamless. Let's hear how the chorus has changed.
But it numbs the wrong pain. Trying to fill the void, but nothing stays the same. I'm fading like the Polaroids we took last June. Now just a ghost inside this lonely frame. Every memory of you is in a sway. Born the train at you, yeah. Every memory of you was a mistake. Every memory of you is in a sway. Born the train at you, yeah. So fall like un shot de copine avec you.
That is simply amazing. We have backing vocals newly inserted into the chorus, but the rest of our song stays the same. For now, I'm really happy with this track, so let's move on to managing this project. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Library. This is your home base. Every track you generate and every iteration you make is stored here. You can see our track Bruised Knuckles right at the top. Now, if you are a music producer who uses a DAW like Ableton or Logic, pay attention to this menu here. If I click the three dots, the options menu, I have Download. But it's not just an MP3. I can download the WAV file for high-quality audio. But even better, I can click Get Stems. You can choose between basic stems or advanced stems. This will separate the vocals, the drums, the bass, and the other instruments into separate files. Finally, let's talk about the community aspect. We already made this cool emo rap track. Let's say I want to share it. From the library, I can click Publish. It asks me to tag the genre. Since this has that melodic feel, I'm actually going to tag this as R&B to help people find it. I hit Publish, and now it's live on the platform. And it gives me a shareable link for posting in social media or just to send a loved one. Let's go see where it ends up. Click on Discover on the left. This is the Mozart AI feed. It's a great place to see what the engine is capable of because people are making wild stuff here. Let's just click on a few to hear the range. Here's a track called Live Life Simple.
Brewing at the crack of dawn, steam rising from the cup. Radio playing that same old song. Time to get yourself up. Grab the keys and check the mirror twice. Traffic's gonna make you late. I tie your shoes and roll the dice. Another ordinary day.
Okay, that's a funk style song, totally different from what we made. Let's check out this one. It's in Russian, which means that Mozart AI is supporting many languages for creating music.
Милая девушка, злая улыбка. Я не робею от синего взгляда. Много мне нужно и много не надо.
Yeah, that's full-on blues, slower, with an ambience. The Discover page isn't just for listening, it's for learning. You can see what other people are creating and get inspiration from them. So, that is the core workflow of Mozart AI. We started with a simple text idea in Vibe. We acted as a producer by using chat to edit the arrangement. We managed our stems in the library, and we shared our work in Discover. I have dropped the link in the description so you can try it out, as you should. And in the next video, we are going to take this a step further. We're going to look at the studio section we saw earlier, and I will explore the music video option as well in an upcoming video. And if this was helpful, hit that subscribe button to AI with TechSnap as we uncover the best AI music tools every single week. But for now, go create some vibes. Thanks for watching.